Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes. It is a must. Welcome back to another video. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful dirty rice. No, don't get it twisted. It's clean, but it's called dirty rice. So let's jump right into the video. So of course, here are my ingredients that I will be using. I will link the video down below of me prepping everything. So here is my pot. I'm going to pour a little bit of oil in it, not too much, right? We don't want no oily nothing. So this is one large onion, very large, and we're going to saute it. So sauteed until translucent, and then now we're gonna add some bell peppers. So of course I'm going in with green because it's my favorite, and I'm adding red as well. So yeah, these two colors, which is gonna poppity pop in the pot. So yeah, go ahead and saute those as well. And then now I'm going in with some minced garlic. So this is like about 10 cloves of garlic, right? So yeah. And then when that is done, all done sauteed, then we're going to go ahead and add 750 grams of minced beef. And of course, now I'm going in with 3 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning. By the way, I didn't use all 3 tablespoons all at once. I left back about 1. So let's say I sprinkle about 2 tablespoons, right? So yeah, go ahead and mix that in, stir it up, stir. And you want to cook it until you see no more red. It is brown like this. Then that's when you know that it is what? Cookity cooked. Oh, so I didn't add all the bell peppers. I left back a little bit because the thing is, when bell peppers are cooked, the color is going to, yeah, it's going to get a little bit dull. So I wanted it to have a little pop, so I left back some of it and added it. So now this is 2 cups of long grain rice. So for this recipe, you need long grain rice. I mean, I guess you could try basmati, but the recipe calls for long grain rice. So now I am going in with 900 grams of chicken stock. Now, if you only have 800, use your 800 grams, right? So yeah, chicken stock. And then I'm adding the rest of the what? The Cajun seasoning. Sprinkle. So yeah, go ahead and just stir that up, combine everything. And then I'm going to add some bay leaves. So 3 bay leaves. If you have 4, then dash 4. And then I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper. By the way, Vibes Sam, you need to taste, not want. I don't want you to taste it. I need you to taste it to make sure that it tastes good, and cover it until it's dried all the way down. Right? So maybe 20 minutes or so. And this is it. Here we have it, Vibes fam. It is all done. 20 minutes, dry down and nice. But of course, let's stir it up. We're going to give it a nice little stir. So what you're going to do, you're going to stir it. And then, or you can turn off the fire and leave it for like 5 minutes and then go back and stir it, right? But of course, I am very impatient. I had to go pick up my son from school, so I stir it immediately. So yes, stir it up. And then this is it, Vibes fam. When I tell you this thing tastes so good and you don't need nothing else with it, right? But of course, if you feel nicer, you can add some fried chicken or whatever. Baked chicken would go really good with this as well. But by itself, it is perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you would have it by itself or something else. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, please. Thank you. God bless you.